During World War II, paratrooper motorbikes were used by several military forces, including the British and the Germans. These motorcycles were often used to transport troops and equipment during airborne operations, as well as for reconnaissance, patrols, and other missions where mobility and quick response were important. One of the most famous examples of a paratrooper motorbike from World War II is the British Airborne Forces Wellbike. This motorcycle was designed specifically for use by paratroopers, and was small enough to be dropped by parachute with the troops. It was equipped with a two-stroke engine and a compact frame, and could be easily carried by a single soldier. The Wellbike was used by British paratroopers during the Normandy invasion and other operations in Europe, and was also used by the Americans and other Allied forces. Other examples of paratrooper motorbikes from World War II include the German NSU Kettenrad, which was a tracked motorcycle used by the Germans for a variety of purposes, including as a paratrooper bike. The Japanese also used paratrooper motorbikes during the war, including the Type 100, which was a small, lightweight motorcycle used for reconnaissance and other missions.